Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing an official Tesla accessory. This is actually the first Tesla accessory that I bought from the Tesla store. I actually redeemed it with my credits, thanks to everyone who used my referral code. Just a reminder, the referral codes are now back available in use. So you can get up to €1,000 off, $1,000 off when you order your new Tesla. So use my referral code in the description below. But basically today what I'm going to do is I'm going to be testing out the carbon fiber caps for the center parts of the 19-inch Nova rims. This is real carbon fiber. I've actually become a little bit obsessed with these carbon fiber upgrades. The sponsor of this video, Yeslak, has actually sent me the carbon fiber wing, which I've installed on the back, and this wing is the exactly the same one as the one in the performance model. So it's got the split, and here's a video of me installing it. If you guys want one of these, you can use my referral code as well to get up to 25% off. It is original real carbon fiber. You can also get a ABS plastic version that has a carbon fiber print, but I got the carbon fiber one and it looks fantastic. So just like the dash trim that I got and the rear trim, the wing, these carbon fiber inserts on the wheel cap look really nice. I never really liked carbon fiber before, but I think it looks really nice, especially on a white car. So let's take a look. We're going to compare these with the stock ones that come with the car, the black plastic. What I do like about these is that if you look over here in the center, the Tesla logo is actually in silver. So it's actually much more prominent. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened in this part of the video, but my sound was not working. But anyways, this is me unboxing it. Basically everything is paper here, very recyclable. There's no plastic in here whatsoever. And this is what the carbon fiber inserts look like up close. And you can see it comes with a remover. And initially I thought that this remover can be used on the existing covers, but you'll see shortly that you cannot, and it's only for removing these specific ones. So I don't know if I'm going to lose this, because I'm probably going to get rid of the box, so I'm going to have to store this somewhere in case I want to remove these inserts. You do need to remove these inserts if you're replacing your tires, for example. And check, I parked next to a EV Macan. What do you guys think about this color scheme? Let me know in the comments below, and whether you like the Macan in general, the new EV Macan. So anyways, here is the original all black. As you can see that this definitely gives it a lot more contrast, and I've removed these plastic inserts because I got my rim done and there's no more scratches, no curb rash whatsoever. Very beautiful. I'm going to mod the outside plastic to match this carbon fiber. I will show you guys what that looks like. To install these, you need to remove the original ones, and you can see that it's kind of flexible. It doesn't have a hole to remove it using the tool. You just pull it off and it comes off. The new ones are stiff. It's carbon fiber, so it doesn't flex as much. And I'm going to align the Tesla logo to the valve cap, just like how Porsche does on their cars, to show you where the valve cap is. And you basically put it in. It's not in at the moment. You actually have to give it a bit of a knock, and it has a loud click. And once it's clicked, it's in. And you can see that. You can now see the Tesla logo very clearly compared to the original. So the original did not have a contrasting color. If you look over here, this one still has the original cap on. It actually looks very cheap compared to the carbon fiber one, and it does feel a lot flimsier. It's like a little bit rubbery. I mean, I think it's fine, but definitely doesn't look as premium as carbon fiber, as you can see here. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are in the comments below. I quite like these. I think it matches quite nicely my wing and my dash trim. So I'm going to install this one as well, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did on the previous one, where I aligned the Tesla logo with the valve cap. Just give it a bit of a push to make sure that it clips in. You will hear an audible click when it gets pushed in, so you can see that it's not as flimsy as before. I would not advise tugging it off like I did on the plastic ones, because I think it will break, because it's quite a thin piece of carbon fiber. So yeah, this is how it looks. We're going to do a walk around, compare with and without. And these inserts I'm going to mod to have carbon fiber. I was actually inspired by one of you subscribers who had actually modded this with white vinyl wrap, and it looks kind of interesting. So I bought a whole bunch of different carbon fiber wrap, which I will put on these plastic inserts before I refit it on the car. But if you compare here, you can see that this carbon fiber finish is actually quite similar. I got the matte version of the wing because I like matte carbon fiber. I just didn't realize that the caps would be gloss. Can't really notice it because it's a small piece, and you can see that I actually damaged my car, but I need to get this part resprayed. I touched it up with some nail polish. Doesn't look that great, but yeah, this is the original, and there's the carbon fiber. So let me know what you guys think. I think it looks a lot better because I think with the Tesla logo more visible. I don't know why Tesla always does this, because on all their cars the center logo is kind of hidden, and I don't know if it's a subtlety thing or what, but it literally feels like there's no logo. If you don't like these caps that come with all this carbon fiber, you can also get the center cap and the nut covers. This one says for Model Y, but I think it also works for Model 3. But I quite like this cover, and I like this carbon fiber because I'm going to compare this carbon fiber with my wing now. Even though this is gloss, you can see that the grain is very similar to the one that I have on the wing. The wing is matte. Let me know which you prefer, the gloss or the matte. Remember to use my referral code to get up to 25% off your order from Yeslak. The only problem with the matte I can see is that it gets pretty dirty, so I need to keep my car clean all the time. And yeah, this is the final wheel that I'm going to be showing you of me inserting this cap. I'm going to do the same thing as before, and when I finish modding the outside plastic pieces, I will make a video about that as well. So make sure you subscribe and like this video. Up close, I really like the look of the carbon fiber, but far away it looks really subtle. Here's a final walk around of the car with the new caps on. I actually think it looks really nice. When I'm done with the plastic outer insert, I think it'll look really complete the look of the carbon fiber around this car. While I was filming this video, I got to meet one of my viewers. He stopped by to say hello, Raphael. If you're watching, please leave a shout out in the comments. It's always great to meet some of you. So if you guys do see me filming a video, or if you see me walking around, please come say hello. It's always nice to meet some of you in real life. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I really enjoy making these videos, and if you guys have any questions, as usual, leave them in the comments below. Basically here I'm taking a final look of all the carbon fiber upgrades I've had in my car. I think it looks phenomenal. Let me know what you guys think.